Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be going through and talking about getting started with laser engraving in your Intro to Illustrator with the 8.1 assignment, which is laser engraving your pencil. In this assignment we're going to be just setting up a basic Adobe Illustrator document to laser engrave a message into your pencil. So the thing that we got to do first is get to Schoology on our PC, which is kind of a thing. It's not really that easy. We want to go to our Chrome, which is the Chrome on your PC. There's sometimes two of them. Go to the one that works. After we get into Chrome, what you want to type into your address bar is what I have up here, my.isd728.org, which will get you to the Rapid Identity login, which then you can use to get to Schoology. That's just the fastest way to get into Rapid Identity. Now, once you get to my Schoology page, the first thing we're going to do is step one, which is starting by downloading this pencil template. Download it and put it to your machine, which is the computer you're using, and then open it and save it to your H drive, and we're going to call it Pencil 1. Now, how we do that is, first of all, by selecting Pencil Template. After we select Pencil Template, it gives us a preview of what we're working with. We have a 5/16 by 2 inch space that we're designing a little laser engraving idea into our pencil. Now, this isn't very captivating. All we need to do here is go over to the right-hand side and download it to our computer. So we hit download. When we hit download in Chrome, it adds a bottom toolbar. And in that bottom toolbar, you're going to see your pencil template. And mine says pencil template 16 because that's how many versions of this document I have downloaded. So if you see more than one, it's probably because you've been click happy a little bit, or you're on your second or third pencil, and you've done it a few times. The next thing is we're going to open this up by clicking it. After we click it, we're going to get the puffins, which is just the login process. It shouldn't take as long as it did the first time. At the same time, be patient. The next thing we're going to do when we get into our document is, I noticed that when you guys go here, you guys get a little pop-up that says something about the fonts being missing. You just want to click through the little default, I guess, clicks on the pop-ups to get to the next piece. You don't need that font. And I think if you click the buttons, it'll get you right to this next piece and we'll be ready to go. Unfortunately, I don't get that to show you. The next thing is you want to come in here and we want to name this document, because right now ours is called Untitled 1, and it's saved in our PC document file, which will be erased periodically over the course of the week. So we want to get it into a safe spot where it saves, and we want to name it an appropriate name. So we come up here to our File menu to do that. Click on the File menu, slide on the Save As. Click on Save As. It pops up by saying, oh, you can do much more if you save it to your cloud document. That's not where we want to go, even though it looks so enticing. We want to go over here and save on your computer. If you don't want to see that message again, you can click there and make sure you select Save on your computer. After you get that clicked, you're going to get a little pop-up saying, where do you want to put this? The thing I'm going to start with, though, is not where it goes, but the name, because the name's already highlighted for us. We don't have to do anything besides this type. So we want to call this Pencil. And I already have pencil 1, 2, 3, and 4, so I'm going to go pencil 1. And when I do this and hit save, at the end, it's going to say, are you sure you want to override that? And we'll say yes, because I have nothing in that document. You want to be aware that if you do that, name it the same thing, and you have something else going on in the other document, it's going to override and erase it. So make sure you name it a different name. Now, over here on the left-hand edge, we want to make sure it's going to the right spot. When you come to this navigation area, you're going to see all these things, I think, pretty much condensed. You want to go to the arrow over here and make it downward facing, which expands it just like your Schoology pages. And you want to slide down to where you see your login. Mine says Robert.Lehman. Yours is going to say your last 5, first 5, middle initial. And I'm going to refer to this drive right here is the H drive. It's like our district's server or our district's cloud drive. All right. This will follow you around to any computer you log into so you can find your documents. All right. Once you have it selected, you want to hit save. Like I said, mine says, oh, pencil 1's already exists. Do you want to replace it? I'm going to hit yes, just because I'm simply overwriting that other blank document that I have in my folder. Hit yes. Now, we get a little Illustrator options to pop up. We'll hit OK. And then you guys have get another one that says something about the idea of do you want to be efficient or save time? We're going to hit later on that last pop-up. Now, When we get into our document, the first thing we want to do here before we go on to the next thing is just simply learn some simple navigation. All right, so your scroll wheel on your mouse, scrolling up pans you up, scrolling down pans you down. You want to practice those simple navigations so you're not frustrated. The next thing is, if I click on the Alt key, or sorry, if I push down the Alt key and I scroll out, it zooms out. I can go really far. If I scroll in, it zooms in. All right, with the Alt key pushed down. The Alt key allows me to zoom in and zoom out easily and find my document if it ever goes missing. All right, that concludes the video. I hope the information helps. In the next video, I'll talk about the selection tool in the type tool. Thanks for watching.